Our fund can hold up to 80 stocks, but at the moment we own 36 stocks. So it's a fairly concentrated portfolio, high conviction and completely index unaware. By way of example, we've got well over 30% in the financial sector, but we're around 5% in the major banks. We are so underweight the major banks because we just can't make it work. We think that the major banks have got a lot of internal problems and they've got a lot of distractions. However, we are well exposed there. So what do we own? Well, we've got a reasonable position in Medibank. We're really happy with what Craig Drummond's doing with Medibank. We're really happy with the concentration in the industry, and we believe that this is a survival of the fittest. And we think that the bigger organisations in the health insurance space in Australia will be the survivors. It's a low margin business. It's a tough business. But we believe that Medibank's got a lot of opportunities to improve their productivity looking forward. They can use technology, they can use their scale, and they can work with the government to have a solution to improve the costs of care. So from our perspective, we're happy to own that one. We're also mindful that at the start of December, that Medibank's shareholder restriction rolls off. They had a cap, 15% cap on ownership. That rolls off the 1st of December. And if anyone was ever going to think about Medibank from a takeover perspective, it's probably now. So we like Medibank. We also like Bendigo Bank. So instead of actually owning the majors, we've taken a reasonable position in Bendigo Bank. Now what's surprising is that after the Royal Commission, there is a bank in Australia that people like. In fact, Bendigo Bank is a top 10 highest rated brand in Australia, which is remarkable. And I think that's testament to their philosophies. They're about their customer. They're about helping their customer become more prosperous. And they've got a very high net promoter score. Their customers do like them. And when we look at Bendigo Bank, we believe that Bendigo Bank can grow its loan book at a faster clip than the majors. We think they will win market share. And we ultimately think that the playing field in Australia will move in favour of regional banks. At the moment, it's heavily tilted towards the majors, and I think they've proven that they don't deserve that. So we think the Bendigo Bank is just in such a great position.